Hello, welcome to our training facilities here in Klaus, Austria. My name is Alexander Herrera. I am an application engineer with focus on rotating machines. I want to show you how to perform Stator Core Low Energy or LC measurements in this Stator Core that we have available for such purposes. For such measurement, we need to use the CPC 100 together with our well-known PTM software and the Stator Core Operate option. The measurement has to be performed in all the slots, so we are going to start with the first slot. I have already finished the first measurement on the first slot, so now I will move the rail to the next position in order to continue with our measurements. In order to scan the next slot, I have to move the rail to the next slot. We can continue scanning the next slot, either pushing this button, or I also can start the next measurement using the PTMate app, with the advantage that I can see in real time the test results. As you can see, it is possible to perform the measurements only with one single person. Now, it's necessary to perform the measurements slot by slot, one by one, until we complete the entire circumference of this stator. Now, I want to show you how to interpret the electromagnetic core imperfection or LC test measurement performed on our stator winding. This stator has 156 slots. On this plot, we can see the quadrature current measured on every single slot. In a healthy slot, all the measurements have to be pretty much similar. However, in this plot, we see that there are two lines totally different than the other ones. In this case, it indicates that slot 43 is different than the other ones, and this has to be investigated. This graphical view gives us a comprehensive image of the condition of the stator curve. The software also gives us the possibility to use a heat map view to see and analyze the test results. In this case, the heat map view shows graphically the spots inside the core with potential problems. It's possible to use a color code to detect where inside the stator core are potential problems. Like in this case, the green color looks a healthy part of the slot, and the red spots look where potentially a problem will be. Thank you for watching our video.